Let's look at switching the default reports on the Reports tab. We give you several default reports for viewing summaries and subtotals. If you would prefer to use different reports here, we just need to change the path of the XML file. Go to Tools and then Settings. Click on Storage Locations and then expand the path for report templates. Now you can browse to any print template XML file you would like to use. For better organization, you can copy the template into the Reports template folder, or just choose any location. Now, the Reports tab will show you the new templates and reports.